There is a constant question that lies behind the growth of the 3D printing market in the US. What and how will China affect the market if they decide to push forward with 3D tech? That question is not a what if, it's a fact. China has been developing 3D printing tech right alongside of their traditional manufacturing since the early 2000s. Due to patent issues, the Chinese have not been able to integrate or move those products into the US market. That recently changed, and the first company to begin looking at using Chinese manufactured 3D printers and SLA tech is named RP Support America. RP Support has aligned itself with Union Tech and have the ability to sell their SLA software and printers in the US. This variable in the US 3D market is not taken lightly, as the equipment and software in China inevitably is cheaper than the products created in the US. RP Support realizes the opportunity here, and they are pushing the product based on 3 points: cost-effective lifecycle, off-the-shelf robust components, and an open design, capable of fine finish. As the race for growth in the 3D printing sector continues to grow, RP Support creates an interesting dynamic that will undoubtedly affect the market and once again place import at the forefront of the discussion.